Now you're in the act of it too, huh? Oh, come on, Jake. Didn't see that one coming. The girl got in the act on it and got me.
I know. I'm taking water.
Mary, you get water in the bucket.
We're trying to fill it up.
Get water in the green bucket.
Yeah.
Here, get water in the green bucket.
Oh, they walked away when you came out. Run away. Good job, Amy. Hey, Mark, that thing takes some great
Put all
video.
that on the table.
Jacob,
Get your Uncle Mike.
nowhere around there.
Our grandpa.
What'd you say?
No, and I know who did it to you, too.
Yeah.
I know Squirt, but I told
Said you take some good videos. That's a cool thing. I like that.
You think I have a future?
Can you see me?
You think I have a future?
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Can you see me now? Is that good?
Thanks for shaving today.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Did I miss any spots?
But the Anderson cousins sure are good looking, aren't they?
Oh, I got anything in my teeth?
I'm sorry, Mark. Did I just get you wet? I really apologize. I
When my boys are
don't know how that happened. Dad, give me a hug. Hi, Paul. You're all wet. You're all wet. You didn't know that? No. I'm so sorry. It just happened that way.
He just had this overwhelming feeling of love for you and had to express it.
That's right.
It had to come out.
I have to go get
Well,
a pair
this
of
is right.
sunglasses.
And an umbrella.
I was going to say,
And a raincoat.
Did she do that because she was unprovoked, or did she just...
My hair isn't fixed. I mean, are we still talking to Laura? What's funny? Am I supposed to do something?
Oh!
Paul, Mark, am I supposed to do something?
Yeah, do something.
Okay, I can sing.
Chase around
Can we
like a
sing?
zombie. Mm-hmm.
Sweet Sadie Babinski. She was a blacksmith by birth. She was tired of living and she wanted to leave the earth. She wanted to die by inches. Dying by inches was hard. So she went out into the back alley and she died by the yard.
Very good.